Remember when chatbots were going to change everything? Here's the truth. They didn't. Because a chatbot is like hiring an intern who can only talk. They'll give you advice, they'll write emails, they'll even debug your code. But when you ask them to actually do something, send that email, book that flight, update that spreadsheet, nothing. But that era just ended because AI agents aren't the intern who talks. They're the intern who works, and the world is about to look very, very different. So what changed? One word: computer use. Until now, AI lived in a text box. You typed, it typed back. But in late 2025, AI learned to see. New systems can now read your screen, navigate menus, and move your mouse just like a human. Imagine saying, "Research my competitors and update the pricing sheet." A chatbot gives you a summary. An AI agent, it opens Chrome, it visits every website, it reads the pages, it opens your Excel file, updates every cell, and emails you when it's done. No technical setup, it just does it. This is the difference between a map and a self-driving car. Let's talk about the one-person unicorn. Most businesses are built on 10 people doing 10 tasks. With AI agents, it's 10 tasks, one person. We are already seeing solo founders launching apps that used to require a team of 20. This is the collapse of the barrier between imagination and execution. But here's the uncomfortable truth. If one person can do the work of 10, what happens to the other 9? We aren't just automating factories anymore. We are automating the accountants, the analysts, and the assistants, the jobs we thought were safe. So is this liberation or devastation? Are we building an empire from our bedrooms or sleepwalking into mass unemployment? The answer is probably both. The agent revolution isn't coming. It's here. The gap between those who adapt and those who don't is widening every hour. If this terrifies you, good. It should. But if it excites you, you're in the right place. Subscribe to the Future Frame X, and let's build the future before it builds us.